guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you something very different. I'm going to share my fashion jewelry collection. Though I am not at all a jewelry hoarder, but I do have some statement pieces which I thought to share it with you guys. And I'm not sure if I'll be able to mention all the prices and the places I got it from, as I have been collecting this since years. So as basically you know that I am from Ahmedabad, my hometown is Ahmedabad. I generally buy my pure silver jewelry from Ahmedabad, from a store called DPR, which is at CG Road. So if you guys are not from Ahmedabad, you can directly contact them on Instagram, and they do take Instagram orders. And if you guys are from Ahmedabad, you can surely visit their store, which is at CG Road. I would be mentioning all the details about their store, Instagram handle and their contact numbers down below in my description box. So recently I visited their store, maybe last week itself, and I got to see their silver jewelry, which is under the name Shriya. And trust me guys, the collection is just amazing. They have lot of varieties and they have very affordable prices, and the quality is A1. This is not at all a promotional video, and I am not at all paid to say this all. This is my personal experience, so I thought to share it with you guys. And plus point is, if you guys go and tell them that you came through me, you will get 10% off. You just need to, there is no specific code for that. You just need to go and tell them that you came through Shraddha Peswani, or you saw my YouTube video and you got to know about them through me, and you will get 10% extra straight away. So I think that is a good deal for you guys, and it is really worth it. You need to go and have a look once, trust me guys. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So I store my jewelry in this jewelry organizer. This is a wooden jewelry box which has special compartments for earrings and rings. Here they are. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20 compartments for earrings and rings, and there is a special drawer which has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 compartments for chain. I would be sharing the close-up with image or video for this, so that you guys can have a look. So before you guys ask me from where did I got this box from, I make handicrafts and I sell them. So I had made this for myself. So if you guys are interested to buy such products, you can surely visit my Instagram handle Crafty Castle, which I would be mentioning below. And you can also directly message me on Instagram if you wish to buy such things. So let's get started. So I'll first start with the jewelry I got from DPR. So this is the first pair of earrings I got from them, and the quality is just amazing. They are literally very light in weight. They are black in color, and they have little cute peacocks and the little pearls, hanging pearls, and the closure is just push button, and this is how they look. The next thing from them I got are these, again a cute dainty earrings in the shape, flower shape, and they are literally very light in weight, as if you are wearing nothing. You can wear this in regular wear, and this is how they look. The lock is simple. You just need to put it in your ear. The next thing I got are again in the shape of flower. They are very light in weight, and the quality is amazing. It's just hanging earrings, and this is how they look. The next I got is the entire set from them. Is this whole set with the chain, has pendant and 2 earrings. The quality is really again very amazing. I'm sure I'm going to say this for everything. This has little cut work and a small pearl in between, and the earrings are exactly the same but in small size, and this is how they look. The earring has push button closure. Then the next thing from them I got is this bracelet, and it has turquoise blue stones, and this is how you wear it, and it looks amazing. And the last thing from DPR I got, which I loved the most, is this earring. It is in ruby red color, has a ruby red stone, and has a little cut work around it, and the quality is just amazing. This was little big for me, so I gave it to resize it, and trust me, their customer service is amazing. So if you face any issues after buying it, you can surely contact them, and they will surely fix it for you guys. And yeah, this is how it looks. Now now I'll start with the jewelry I got from different stores, or maybe there were some little gifts, and so I'm not sure if I'll be able to mention the prices and the places I got it from for everything. So let's get started. So the first thing is this silver pearl set, traditional set. The chain is entirely in pearl and there is a little small pearl earring. I love pearls. The quality is amazing, and I think I got this from Rajkot, and I don't remember the store, I don't remember the price, but this is how this looks. So if again I got one more pearl set. So this is in the white color. It has 2 bracelets, the entire set, and pearl earrings. This is also I got from Rajkot, from the same store I got from where I got the grey one. And as I told you, I love pearls, so this is how it looks. The earrings again is a push button earring. Bracelets are elastic bracelets, and the chain has a basic push open lock, and yeah, this is how they look. Then the next thing is this yellow shell chain I got from Goa, from Arpura Night Market. And I think I got this for rupees 150. They had many colors in this. One of my friend got in white and I got in yellow. I love the quality, the voice and everything. And yeah, it has a button closure, loop and button closure, and this is how it looks. The next thing is this brown stone neck piece. I think I got this gift from my sister. She got it from London, and as far as I remember, this is from the brand Dorothy Parkins. I'm not sure if it is available online in India, and this was long back. I mean almost 3 to 4 years back I got this. So yeah, it's very light in weight, has cute little stones, and the lock is normal, and this is how it looks. The next thing is this neck piece. I remember I got this from West Side, and it has 3 chains both the sides, and has one pendant, and has little cute tassel hangings going around, and the lock is normal lobster lock, and this is how it looks. So the next thing I got is, I'm not sure about the price and the place, but I remember I got from some exhibition, and the quality is very amazing. It has little diamonds going around, and it's kind of a shape of Mangal Sutra, and has golden and silver shaded look on the chain. Maybe it is called rhodium, maybe, I'm not sure. And this is how it looks. You can surely put up a pendant here if the pendant hook is little big, so you can put it a pendant here as well. The next thing are these Kundan earrings. They are not real Kundan. I got it from local market in Mumbai, Manish Market, and I think I got it for 300. They have little green pearls and white small pearls hanging, and the back is normal. Generally original Kundan have a meenakari back, and it is in push button, and they are very light in weight, and this is how they look. Next thing I got again is from West Side, long back. I don't remember the price, but it is in black color, has cute little leaves and flowers hanging with black stones. I had shown this in one of my West Side haul, I remember. If I can, make out the prices, I will surely mention it there. And the quality is amazing. It is still the same as I got it. The color has not been faded. The chain looks same, and this is how it looks. Next thing is this neck piece. Again, I think I got this as a gift. I don't remember. I wore this in Goa, and if you guys have seen my Goa lookbook, you will be able to recollect that, yeah, this is the same piece. If you guys haven't watched the lookbook, I should surely put it somewhere here. And it's a basic neck piece with some golden things going around here. I don't know what they are called, but they are metal sticks, and this is how they look. Then the next thing is this neck piece. I generally wear this in Navratri. I got this from one of the Ahmedabad store, and I don't remember the name, but I would surely find it and mention it in my description box. So it has little red pearls and one big round chunky piece and this thing, and it is just, you know, you have to literally wear it like this way. It has no lock going around here. It is quite big to fit in your neck, and this is how it looks. Then the next thing is, I got this from Lime Road long back. I remember clearly. This was from Lime Road. It has peach stones all around and golden leaves going around. And it's a chunky set, looks good. The quality is amazing. Still the color is not faded and it looks amazing. Has a normal lobster lock, and yeah, this is how it looks. Then the next piece is, I got this from Colaba Street, I remember, and I think I got this for 150 from one of the Colaba Street store. There is no particular store. You get this such things in many same things in stores. They had many colors, blue, white, but somehow I found this color attractive, so I got this one. It is just a pendant and a neck piece. The pendant moves. It's not a fix. You can change the chain if you wish to, and this is how it looks. The next thing is again from Colaba. I really love this, very bohemian, little heavy in weight, but the quality is just amazing. And it has 3 layers of neck chain here and normal lock here going around, and I just love this piece, and this is how it looks. Then the next thing is again from Lime Road, white, huge, pearly, chunky neck piece, and they are very big pearls that make very, I love this voice, and it's just basic pearls with little Swarovski stones, not original, normal stones here going, and this is how they look. Then the next thing again was gift from my sister, and again this is I think from Dorothy Parkins as well, from London, and this is how they look. They have little stones going around and some golden thing going around. The cord is leather cord. It is not a chain cord, the leather cord, and has again a lobster lock, and this is how it looks. Then there are 2 black pearl chains. This is my mom's chain. When she was young she used to wear, and I really love pearls, so I took it from her. This is real chandi, which has been dark right now. I need to clean it with Colgate paste or maybe some powder, and it is like a choker feel, and this has little pendant going around here, and this is literally plain thing, twisted pearl chain, and yeah, this is how they look. Then the next thing is these earrings. I had shown in my last week's Ajio fashion haul. I really love this one, and they look amazing. They are in lightweight. The quality is just amazing. Then again from Ajio last week's haul, if you guys have seen, I got this from there. They have a little golden square pieces going around and little silver drop shape here, and are normal basic earrings. Then this is one ring from Ajio again, adjustable ring. I showed this as well in my haul, and this looks amazing as well. Then the next thing is, I got it from Ahmedabad Law Garden. This is more of a, I literally love this. This is light in weight. It is open like this way and close it, and I generally wear this in Navratri, and this is how they look. Then the next thing I have a traditional neck piece. Is this coin shaped neck piece. I remember I got this from Bangalore from one of the local store. I don't remember the price, but I think this is basically the South Indian design, but I really loved this one. The quality is amazing. The golden color has not yet been faded, and this looks amazing. It has a adjustable open lock. You can adjust it according to your neck size, and has cute little 2-coin earrings which has a push button closure. Then the next thing, which is original silver, is this cute little neck piece which has a red or maroon stone and has the same earrings. I got this around 7 years back, and the quality is still amazing. Yes, I keep on cleaning on regular intervals with Colgate paste or Colgate powder, but I really love this one. This has cute little earrings and this is how they look. The earrings has a push button and the chain has normal lobster lock. And yeah, I think I'm done with it. So if you guys really like my video, please don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe, and also let me know what did you find the best in the entire collection of mine. And also let me know if you want to see some of my collection, maybe a bag collection or maybe a kurti collection, short collection, or any kind of thing you wish to see. So please let me know in the comments what kind of videos you would like to see in future. Till then, bye bye.